Hi everybody, I'm Travis with Lansing Auto Mart. You can find us online at lansingautomart.org. Today we're at the Hisun Ride event. We're at Pikes Off-Road in Bowling Green, Missouri. We're excited to show you guys some awesome units. Hey guys, I am super fortunate today to be out here at Pikes Off-Road Park in Bowling Green, Missouri. Hisun USA brought us out here. This is Hisun Ride Days. We are demoing and test riding the first Hisun Guardian 750 ATV. This model is not available for purchase yet. As you can see, we've been testing it out. We've got it nice and muddy and dusty. They're going to make this Guardian 750 in various models, including a 750, a 550, a 400, and I think they're going to have a 2-up model as well. But this is just a killer machine. This is similar to their Tactic line of four-wheelers, but a much newer, modern, updated body style. Really sweet looking lights, as you can see. It's also just got really comfortable suspension. I mean, the suspension on this is killer. It is just super smooth riding on the trails here. It's got lots of capability. Definitely no lack of power. Got push button ignition. You've also got a really nice multimedia display there. Shows you all your pertinent information. Obviously, you've got a winch, tail lights, like I said, 4-wheel drive, alloy wheels, really loaded machine. I don't have the pricing on this yet. Keep an eye on my YouTube, TikTok, and our website. I'll have these on here soon.